आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
I was asked to speak on a subject and I have a written text, but आपकी जो इब्तदाई कलमात थे मेरी नज़र में बहुत मुनासिब, जामे और फ़िक्र अंदोज़ थे, और अगर आप इजाज़त देंगे और अगर आपके वक्त ने इजाज़त दी तो मैं हल्का सा उन पर भी कमेंट करना चाहूँगा, और ऑब्वियसली वो ऑफ द कफ करूँगा. What I'll then do is make an opening statement which is hopefully 8 to 10 minutes, and then address some of the points that you've raised, and then take your questions if you have any. Is that okay? Right. Honorable Members of Parliament, Office Bearers of Pakistan Institute of Legislative Development and Transparency, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I wish to thank the Pakistan Institute of Legislative Development and Transparency for organizing this event and for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts with you. PILDAT is one of Pakistan's premier think tanks. It has done commendable work over the years in contextualizing and conducting independent empirical research on important policy issues. I've always believed and maintained that in the contemporary world of cutthroat competition, a diplomat's most effective armament is the scholastic work of the nation's intellectuals. Pakistan's foreign policy, or any nation's foreign policy for that matter, is not formulated in isolation, nor is it the monopoly of a single institution or individual. It is a dynamic process that seeks to effectively respond to a nation's internal needs and external environment. In a democratic polity, it must take into account and synergize the multitude of perspectives, assessments, and interests. In the conduct and implementation of this policy, however, there is a continuity and consistency that goes beyond the government of the day. The adage that there are no permanent friends or enemies, only permanent interests, holds true as ever. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot talk about foreign policy challenges without first talking about our permanent interests. What are those interests? A, to create the conditions conducive for socio-economic development.